This trail is definitely a little bit more technical. I think it's rated from like a 5 to a 7.
No! It can't be the case!
We're here.
Find out for ourselves.
I set it right down on the rocker.
That was easy. That was a fun one. Turn left. Turn right. Let it climb. Right. All right.
line. I wasn't sure it was gonna pop us up and smash the fender, and then I had no idea what was to the right, so as long as I didn't hit the door, I figured, see what happens.
Can't back up now. If you walk the steering wheel back and forth just a little bit. Yep. Come back this way a little. Okay, straight,
There it is, there it is, straight. Yeah, take
Yep.
your traction almost. Right there.
Slowly, just a little. Go to the right a little. Come back. Straight. So freaking close.
If your left wheel gets traction, you got it.
There,
yeah,
there,
yeah!
there.
Yeah!
Oh. That's gonna be a little.
You got it. Yeah, there we go.
Holy shit.
That was great.
I'm like, don't break an axle, don't break an axle. Like modulating the brake, because all that noise was the traction control.
Yeah.
Trying to break that.
That was perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect.
That was impressive. That was steep.
Straight.
Keep going, stay in it. It'll figure it out. Yeah, keep turning left and right. Keep turning. There you go. Why does it have no support?
I think straight.
Keep turning, keep turning. Keep moving the wheel
There you
back.
go, there you go.
There you go, turn right.
Yeah. Hey, this is a great shot of those nomad wheels. Go, grab that.
Nice, Cole. That's how you do it. Woo! That's the ability of the awesome traction control in these. This is only center diff lock, no rear diff lockers or anything. But we will be doing triple lock variants next.
Almost. Turn right a little. Go right. Right, right. There you go. Now your front can grab.
hate that I couldn't one-shot it.
I know.
That's annoying. Take a look at the damage. Oh yeah. Exhaust is just mangled.
That was wild. That was maybe a little past my comfort zone, just with trying to make it out with vehicles that are in one piece, and they're actually in one piece. It was some really just steep rocks, ultimately. Like, you could only go over them. Like, there was no going around them. That was cool. That was, I was definitely worried we were gonna break something, but nothing broke, and we're here, and that is a ridiculous view.
I'm just in awe of the views behind us. This trail is definitely a little bit more technical than all the other stuff. The wall was definitely a big obstacle. I'm pretty impressed with how all of our components worked today. Control arms, no problem, no noises, no looseness out of them. The lift kits were plush the whole time. You know, the ride quality is incredible, and having the ground clearance that we need. These are a 2.5-inch lift kit, which is all you really need for a 33 tire on these cars. And the general tires that were on the vehicles just had so much grip. My car used traction control perfectly, got the grip where it needed to on the front left, the rears, but good challenge, and definitely helps us reassure that these cars are very capable.
We have finished Poughkeepsie Gulch. The cars did everything we could have asked of them. I went over everything that I wanted to, aside from getting stuck on the wall because my gas tank and exhaust were just hammered in. It wouldn't have been safe to back down, so winch line it was. Nothing happened to the vehicles. And we've ended up here with this really crazy blue lake. That's about all you can ask for. So I'm just looking forward to doing more trails like this.